Hi guys, how you doing? Right, so I don't know if you can see, but I'm in a right old building right now. I've been asked to come out and have a look at it. See if there's anything I can do with it. Yeah, apart from give it the last rites, that's all I can do. Anyway, so let me show you around this building. Scary, it really is. Here comes the intro. Right, so I'm not going to talk through it, so I'll put some lovely bit of music for you, but come on, let's have a walk through the doors. See if you can guess where I am. So I'm here. Let's have a look at this building. Here we are. And this is where we started. So, they have got a system here already. So I've just got my smoke pole. And I'm just going around randomly just picking so I can work out what zones, because I've got no zone chart, no nothing here. So I'm slowly but gradually trying to build up information. I'm getting paid for it, so I don't mind. So this is one floor. This is the first floor. I'll show you some more on the ground floor. I won't bother. The next floors up is just more or less exactly the same, mirrored. So you don't want to see that, more of that. But I'll show you downstairs in a minute. See what you think of this panel. So guys, these are the panels I was chit-chatting you about. So you've got some real old chubby stuff. We've got a gent conventional on a relay. So I've disabled, that's the signalling relay. Easy, isn't it? And then they've got a gent on here, addressable, a Vigilon. I think that's for a car park, I've been told. But yeah. So what do you think of that, guys? Feeling old? Because I am. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. Yes, it's a very old system. It was interesting. It made my day, really, because I love old stuff. Because I suppose me being old myself. If you enjoyed it, leave comments below. If you've know older panels out there, let us know. It's always good to know. So as always, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring my bell, because it all helps in the long run. Like I say, I do this for shits and giggles, and I hope you enjoy it. Sorry about the dog, and you can't do anything with them apart from shoot them. Anyway, you take care, guys. See you next time. Bye bye.